Yeah, guys, you do better than that. One more round.
Thank you. That's announcement. I think after the session, if you want to take picture or share business card, I will be here. So basically, don't worry, I don't run. So basically, after this one, still have time. If another after dinner or dinner, I will be here because I will stay and in the morning. Tomorrow I will not be here, but I think today I will be here. So don't worry. Yeah, don't worry at all. So now I ask Deborah to come to translate. First. Okay. I think that's the second session. Oh. The second session. Oh. This is my second book. After the first book is Built to Bless Company. My second book is Lead to Bless Leader. Nah sekarang saya akan mulai.
Now I will start.
Bahwa untuk menjadi Lead to Bless Leader ada 3 hal yang sangat penting.
There will be 3 important things to be Lead to Bless Leader.
Yaitu yang pertama adalah karakter.
The first is character.
Yang kedua adalah role responsibility, nanti the head of the leaders.
The second is role and responsibility.
Ya, kemudian kita bicara soal talent.
And then lastly we will talk about talent.
Ya, kita akan masuk ke sini. Yang pertama saya akan mulai memberikan tips and tricks.
So I'm gonna give you tips and tricks. Start with part number 1.
Dengan menjadi seorang leader yang hatinya diubah.
How to be a leader that our heart being changed.
Karena tidak mungkin memimpin bisnis menjadi Built to Bless Company kalau hati leadernya atau karakter leadernya tidak lead to bless.
It is impossible to have Lead to Bless Company if the heart of the leader never been changed.
Saya akan mulai dengan ini teori saja. Apa itu karakter?
This is the theory. What is character?
Ya, Anda bisa baca.
So you can read it yourself.
Tapi paling penting John Maxwell ini sangat penting.
This is most important. What John Maxwell said.
Character is more than thought. It is a choice. It is a choice. It is a choice, not a gift like talent. Jadi karakter yang kita perankan di kantor kita itu our choice.
So the character that we present in our office is our choice.
Karakter dan perbuatan kita sangat dekat.
Our character and our behavior is so close
dengan apa yang kita pilih.
with what is our choice.
Kalau saya ingin punya karakter disiplin,
If I want to be disciplined,
saya harus melakukan disiplin
I have to do discipline
karena saya memilih, saya mau disiplin.
because I choose to be disciplined.
Jadi semua yang kita lakukan itu sebetulnya karena pilihan kita.
So everything that we are doing is actually our choice.
Tidak ada bakat orang misalkan tidak memperhatikan orang.
There is no such talent that people do not care about others.
Itu pilihan.
That's a choice.
Kalau saya ingin punya hati memperhatikan orang,
If I want to have a heart to care about others,
saya memilih untuk menjadi orang yang memperhatikan orang lain.
so I choose to be someone who cares about others.
Saya akan bikin sistem supaya saya jadi orang yang memperhatikan orang lain.
So I will make a system to care about others.
Jadi ini yang sangat penting bahwa choice.
It is very important that is choice.
Misalkan tadi saya bilang,
As I said,
saya mau memperhatikan manajemen di bawah saya.
I will take care of the management under me.
Bukan hanya soal pekerjaan,
Not only about their works,
tapi soal keluarga.
but also about their family.
Begitu saya memilih
When I choose,
saya akan memperhatikan anak buah saya sampai keluarganya.
I will take care of all my staff until their family.
Saya tahu persis kapan ulang tahun perkawinan.
I know for sure when is their wedding anniversary.
Saya tahu berapa anaknya.
I know how many children they have.
Saya tahu siapa anaknya.
I know who is their children.
Sekarang dengan bantuan alat yang kita punya, handphone itu,
With the help of our mobile phone,
saya bisa memperhatikan keluarganya.
I can take care of their family.
Makanya tadi saya bilang,
So as I said,
hari ini,
today,
jam 7,
now is
Ada-
7 p.m.
ada 2 teman saya, 1 anak buah saya yang mengawinkan anaknya.
There will be 2 of my staff and 1 of them actually having a wedding of their children.
Hari ini 2.
Today got 2.
Tadi pagi saya berkata,
This morning I said,
saya tidak bisa datang,
I couldn't come,
tapi saya mau berdoa.
but I'm gonna pray.
Tadi pagi saya berdoa,
This morning I pray.
saya tahu persis siapa namanya,
I know the name,
saya tahu persis siapa menantunya.
I know their in-law.
Saya telepon Pak, saya kasih message anak buah saya,
I send message to my staff.
Irawan,
Irawan, the name is Irawan.
saya pray untuk Bayu dan Tami yang hari menikah.
I pray for Bayu and Tami who has wedding today.
Tadi dia kirim
And I send that message.
Dia kirim foto sekarang gini.
And he sent a photo to me.
Benny,
Benny,
hari ini Elvira dan Iwan yang menikah.
today Elvira and Iwan who got
Dan
wedding.
saya berdoa.
And I will pray.
Dan nanti jam 7,
And today 7 p.m.
berarti di sini jam 8.
So 8 p.m. here.
Sebelumnya saya akan kirim message lagi.
Before that I'm gonna send the message again.
Saya berdoa
I pray.
supaya hari ini waktu kau salaman,
So today when you shake hand,
kau buat 3.000 orang atau berapa hari ini,
I do not know 2,000 or 3,000 people.
just sekedar message.
It's just only a message.
Hanya sekedar ini. Tapi buat mereka
But for them,
different.
it is different.
Karena message from your son, superior. Karena apa susahnya sih?
What's matters?
Oh, Pak Pros lagi sibuk di Kuala Lumpur. Apa susahnya?
I'm busy in
Kau
KL.
punya waktu untuk hari ini bilang selamat ya. Saya nggak bisa datang.
Just make a time. I couldn't come, but congratulations.
Bukan hanya soal uang, angpau,
It's not about the money that you send to them,
dan perhatian.
but about the care that you
Tapi
give.
kalau engkau memilih itu,
But if you choose,
now teknologi bisa support you.
now technology also can spoil you.
Every day, begitu engkau buka, kau bisa tahu dia lagi mau ngapain. Nah, ini yang sangat penting buat kita untuk menjadi seorang yang punya heart of the leader. Character is a choice.
It is very important for the leader who want to be a leader, the heart of who want to have the heart of leader characters is a choice.
Makanya saya nggak percaya
So I do not believe
banyak ibu-ibu yang bilang, banyak ibu-ibu dan istri-istri bilang,
many wives say,
Pak, suami saya nggak romantis.
I do not have romantic husband.
Atau suami-suami yang bilang,
Or husband says to me,
istri saya juga nggak romantis.
my wife also is not a romantic wife.
It's a choice.
It is a choice.
Kalau kau ingin jadi suami yang romantis,
If you want to be a romantic husband,
kau bisa lakukan.
you can do it.
Setiap pagi, ingat,
Every morning, remember,
begitu bangun,
when you wake up,
bilang aja,
just say,
Ma, kamu cantik.
Mom, you're beautiful today.
Thank you ya.
Thank you.
Nanti makin lama dia kelepok-kelepok.
And then after that, she will admire you a lot.
Karena itu is a choice.
Because that is a choice.
Mau nggak perhatiin?
Do you want to pay attention?
Ini is a choice. Jadi saya believe
So I believe
itu kalau your choice,
if it is your choice,
engkau akan bekerja berdasarkan choice itu.
you're gonna work based on your
Yang
choice.
jadi masalah,
It's not gonna be a problem.
yang jadi masalah banyak leader tidak memilih yang benar.
But the problem is many leaders do not choose the right one.
Dia sibuk dengan pekerjaannya,
They are busy with their works.
dia sibuk dengan key performance indicators anak buahnya,
They are busy with the key performance of their staff.
sampai dia lupa
then they forget
bahwa anak buahnya
that their staff
itu human.
is a human.
John Maxwell bilang,
John Maxwell
kalau
said,
kau mau romantic,
if you want to be romantic,
kau bisa jadi romantic.
you can be a romantic
Karena itu
person
choice.
because of your choice.
Mungkin wah tidak seromantik orang yang punya talent,
Maybe you are not as romantic as person who come with their talent,
tapi kau bisa.
but you can.
Nah, ini yang sangat penting.
It's very important.
Nomor satu, kalau saya orangnya
Number one.
sangat disiplin.
I'm very disciplined person.
Itu sebabnya saya bangun disiplin.
I wake up
Saya
disciplined.
tidak akan telat datang di
I
kantor.
won't come late to the office.
Kemudian saya meeting, saya tidak telat.
I won't come late for the meeting.
Dan saya tidak mau anak buah saya nunggu.
And I don't want my staff to wait for me.
It is a choice.
It is a choice.
Saya mau
I want
menghargai mereka.
I want
Sehingga saya tidak mau panjang-panjang.
I want to respect their time, so I don't want to make it long.
Kembali, choice ini sangat penting.
Choice is very
Karena
important
dengan choice ini,
because with this choice,
engkau akan act accordingly dengan
you will
choice.
act accordingly to your choice.
Itu sebabnya yang pertama, ini yang menarik sekali, jadi sesuatu yang sangat penting buat saya.
It is very interesting and very attract me.
Talent is a gift, tapi character is a choice. Jadi mulai saat ini,
So started from now,
jangan bilang,
don't say
saya memang orangnya begini kok.
this is me.
No, it's your choice.
It is your choice.
Ibu-ibu jangan bilang, memang saya orangnya cerewet kok.
All mothers say, yeah, I'm a lot of talkative.
It's his choice.
It is your choice.
Semua choice kita.
Everything is about our choice.
Mari kita lihat,
Let's
ini
see.
adalah buku saya. Bagaimana
This is my
kita mengubah pandangan seseorang
How to change the perspective of a person
dari kita mulai dari anak buah di kantor.
from our staff in the office.
Kalau kita melihat anak buah kita di resources sebagai resources
If we see them as our resources
atau sebagai human,
or as human,
sangat berbeda.
it's totally different.
Ini yang saya bilang ada beberapa tahapan-tahapan
And this is all the stages,
yang membuat bagaimana kita mengubah diri kita
how to change ourselves
dari memikir anak buah sebagai resource
from a thought to take them as our
menjadi
resources
seorang yang capitals.
to be capitals.
Nah, ini adalah satu bentuk yang saya sebut untuk mempermudah, ya, mempermudah karena di dalam waktu bahasa Indonesia sangat susah translate dalam bahasa Inggris.
It is make it easier because it's so difficult to translate in English.
Ya, saya lihat bagaimana kita ini berjalan dari 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
How to walk from 1 to 7.
Nomor 1 adalah orang yang berkata saya dengan anak buah itu beda strata.
Number 1 is the person who say that I am having different level with my staff.
Nomor 2, kalau ada apa-apa dengan anak buah selalu bilang I am the boss.
And if something happen to our staff, we always say I am the boss.
Yang ketiga, kalau sudah lebih bagus lagi, kalau ada diskusi selalu berpikir I'm okay that you are not okay.
The third level is still better because in discussion we say that I am okay, you are not okay.
Nah, biblical
It's biblical.
mulai nomor 4,
Start at number 4.
farmer.
Farmer.
Saya petani.
I am a farmer.
Lihat, saya adalah petani
I'm a farmer.
anggur, saya adalah pokok dan kamu adalah sarang-sarangnya.
It's a vineyard.
Belajar dari Tuhan Yesus
Learn from Jesus.
bahwa kita adalah farmer terhadap anak buah kita.
That we are a farmer for our staff.
Kemudian Tuhan ajarin kita juga,
And God also teach us,
Mazmur 23,
Psalm 23,
itu kita gembala.
that we are shepherd.
Kita sangat kenal dengan Mazmur 23.
We know it well.
Tuhan gembalaku,
Psalm 23, God is my shepherd.
I shall not want. Sekarang kalau kita tahu alamat kita, wow, Daud waktu melihat Mazmur 23, Tuhan gembalaku, takkan kekurangan aku.
David when talk in Psalm 23 that God is my shepherd, I shall lack nothing.
Ia membawaku ke air yang tenang.
He bring me to the green pasture. All the verses in Psalm 23.
Bayangkan kalau ini kita rubah.
Just imagine if we change it.
Kalau kita rubah, jangan
change.
kita merasa sama Tuhan, Tuhan, Engkau gembala, saya domba.
And if you say to God, you are the shepherd and I am the sheep.
Waktu Anda berhadapan dengan anak buah,
When you face your employee,
sekarang Anda rubah.
then you change
Mazmur
it.
23, Anda adalah gembala dan anak buah domba.
Psalm 23, you are the shepherd and your staff is your sheep.
Ketemu dengan anak buah Anda,
When you meet your staff,
mau berkata dalam hati,
you say in your heart,
Aku adalah gembalamu,
I am your shepherd.
Kau tidak akan kekurangan.
You shall lack nothing.
Aku akan menuntunmu ke air yang tenang.
I will bring you to the quiet water.
Aku akan membawamu ke padang yang berumput hijau.
I will bring you to the green pasture.
Begitu kamu merubah seperti itu,
If you change your perspective like this,
berubah cara pandang kita terhadap anak buah kita.
you will change their perspective.
Dan kenapa?
Why?
Karena langsung, aku adalah gembalamu.
Because I am your shepherd.
Takkan kekurangan kamu.
You shall lack nothing.
144 orang ini,
If all of you, 144 people here,
sebagai leaders,
as leaders,
lebih dari 56% CEO dan senior manajemen,
more than 56 people are CEO,
dan masih muda-muda,
and you are all young,
yang di atas 50 cuma 11% dari Anda.
only 11% above 50 years old.
Jadi saya tidak termasuk yang tua, saya sudah 61 loh.
So I'm joining that group because I'm 51 years old.
Oke,
61 years old. You
So, thank you
see?
for that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oke. Begitu kita datang, saya selalu biasa di kantor.
When I come, usually in the office,
Bagaimana mereka mengerti bahwa Mazmur 23 ini real?
how they can understand that Psalm 23 is real.
Banyak orang Kristen terlalu egois.
Many Christians are too egocentric.
Dia ingin Tuhan perhatikan dia seperti gembala sama domba.
They ask God to take care of the people like the shepherd and the sheep.
Kita maunya jadi domba terus.
We want to be sheep.
Kalau kita melihat gambar Tuhan megang domba,
If we look into the pictures, how God bring His sheep,
pikiran kita selalu bilang,
our thought always say
kalau saya jadi domba,
that I become the sheep.
enak sekali dipegang Tuhan.
So good to be in His arm.
Sekarang kita mesti rubah.
But we must change our
Engkau
perspective.
harus kembali ke tempat kerja.
You have to go back to your workplace.
Mazmur 23
Psalm 23
berkata, Aku adalah gembala.
says that I am your shepherd.
Kamu tidak akan kekurangan.
You shall lack nothing.
Begitu ini terjadi di dalam kehidupan kita, ini sangat berbeda cara kita.
When it happens in our life, it's gonna be totally different.
Ya, seorang suami,
As a husband,
kalau nanti Anda pulang ketemu dengan istri Anda,
when you go back home and meet your wife,
Anda bilang, Aku adalah gembalamu,
and you're gonna say, I am your shepherd,
tak akan kekurangan kamu.
you shall lack nothing.
Bayangkan bagaimana istri-istri memandang ini.
Just imagine how your wife,
Aku akan,
See.
jangan hanya ingat yang ayat berikutnya. Aku akan membaringkan kamu. Jangan begitu aja.
do not always remember, I will make you lay down.
Kalau suami ingatnya yang bagian itu aja repot.
Husband always remember that part well.
Jadi kemudian kalau istri-istri
All wives,
berkata kepada, kalau di sini nggak banyak ya, maid servantnya,
if you say to your domestic worker or your maid,
I am your shepherd. Engkau tidak kekurangan.
I am your shepherd, you shall lack nothing.
Bagaimana pandangan orang? Karyawan akan merasa, wow,
All your employees will change their perspective.
enak ya dipimpin orang Kristen.
It's good to be led by Christian,
Karena orang Kristen
because Christian
memperhatikan saya
take a good care of me,
supaya saya tidak kekurangan.
so I shall lack nothing.
Enak kerja sama orang Kristen
It's good to work with Christian
karena dia akan membawa saya ke padang yang berumput hijau.
because they will bring me to the green pasture.
Sehingga mereka berkata,
So they will say,
kebajikan dan kemurahan mengikuti aku seumur hidup.
mercy will follow after me for
Ini
the
yang
rest of
harus
my life.
Ini tidak mungkin live kalau Anda tidak menyadari setelah saya sebagai domba, saya harus menjadi gembala.
It will never give you understanding if you never think that I am the sheep, and then the next step is it become you are the shepherd.
Namanya Eka.
The name is Eke. Ike.
Eka anak buah
Sorry, the
saya,
name is Eka. My
seorang
staff,
general manager.
he is the general manager.
Suatu saat dia datang ke saya,
One day he came to me.
dia bilang, Pak, saya mau ke rumah sakit
He said to me, I want to go to the hospital
karena istri saya
because my wife,
tulang belakangnya bengkok.
his back got problem.
Saya bilang, saya lihat kayak
Can you
gimana?
see
Ini
the
kayak gini.
pictures?
Waktu saya lihat, saya bilang,
When I saw it,
jangan di sini.
do not go to this hospital.
Kamu pergi ke Singapura deh.
Go to Singapore.
Kamu cek dengan di Singapura,
Check with the doctor in Singapore.
second opinion,
Second opinion,
dan kamu pergi.
and you go.
Biaya
All the cost,
kita akan tanggung.
I will take care of
Karena
it
tulang belakang.
because of his wife's.
Oke, pergi. Jangan di sini.
Okay, go to Singapore. Do not check up here.
Dia orang Katolik,
He is a Catholic.
istrinya orang Muslim.
His wife is a Muslim.
Saya bilang sama istrinya,
I said to his wife,
namanya Kitri,
the name is Kitri.
kamu jangan takut ya,
Do not be afraid.
kamu ke Singapura.
You go to Singapore.
Ya Pak, kita akan take care of you.
I will take care of you.
Begitu sampai di Singapura,
When they reach Singapore,
dicek.
Dicek.
Wah, harus dioperasi lebih dari 6 jam.
they need to do operations more than 6 hours.
To cut the long story short,
To cut the long story short,
setelah 3 minggu,
after 3 weeks,
dia balik.
he came back.
Begitu balik di kantor,
When he came back to the office,
saya sekitar setengah 6,
maybe 5:30,
saya keliling kantor,
I make a walk in my office.
saya bilang, loh, kok kamu masih ada di sini?
Wow, why you are here?
Karena saya nggak suka orang suka malam-malam di kantor.
Because I don't like staff who stay late in the office.
Saya bilang, pulang,
Go home,
dinner dengan your family,
have a dinner with your family,
dinner dengan anak-anak.
have a dinner with your children.
Jadi, kenapa mesti harus setiap kali pulang malam? Jadi saya inspeksi.
Why you
Jadi,
need to stay late?
kalau saya ada yang pulang malam,
If someone going
mesti
home late,
punya good reason.
they will always have a good reason why.
Kenapa? Akhirnya saya bilang, kenapa? Wah Pak, saya udah 3 minggu, banyak pekerjaan yang saya harus lakukan. Jadi saya begini, Eka menjawab pertanyaan saya dengan dianggapnya sebagai karyawan yang bertanggung jawab. Pak, saya udah 3 minggu, jarang general managers. Dia bilang, wah saya harus lakukan begini.
Eka answered me diplomatically with all the answer that I left the office 3 weeks. I have to do this and that as a general manager.
Lalu saya bilang sama dia,
And I said to him,
istrimu
your wife
lebih butuh engkau
need you more
dari perusahaan ini.
than the company need you.
Butuh kamu. Sekarang kamu pulang,
Now you go home.
mulai hari ini,
Started from today,
setiap hari
every day,
jam 4:30
4:30 p.m.
kamu pulang dan kamu WA saya jam berapa pulangnya.
You have to go home and
Saya-
WhatsApp me what time you go home and leave the office.
Saya call istrinya,
I called his wife.
kasih tahu kapan suamimu balik.
Tell me when is your husband reach home?
Kalau dia sering telat,
And if he come home late,
bonus potong.
I will cut off the bonus.
Starting the day,
Starting
dia
that day,
call terus. Saya bilang kenapa? Saya bilang go back. Your wife udah 3 minggu, your children need you.
I said to him, after 3 weeks you left your children, the children need you.
Kalau kamu konsentrasi kepada istri dan anak-anakmu,
If you have a good concentration to
Dan
your
mereka
wife and your
bagus.
children,
bagus,
good,
istrimu akan melihat we are different.
and your wife will see that we are different.
Kau punya Kristus.
You have Christ in
Kau
you.
menyayangi istri
You love your wife
lebih daripada melayani perusahaanmu.
more than you are serving the company.
Percayalah,
Trust me,
Tuhan nggak akan ninggalin pekerjaan kamu.
God won't leave your work.
Kadang-kadang kita takut.
Many times we are afraid.
Hari ini
Today,
dia direktur di PT Terbuka Aksa.
he is one of the director of our company in
Dia
Astra.
mungkin 6 minggu tidak full time.
Maybe 6 weeks he
3
is not
weeks in
doing
Singapore.
full time.
3 weeks di Singapura,
3 weeks in Singapore,
3 weeks di rumah untuk melatih karis istrinya.
and then another 3 weeks to take care of the wife at home.
Tapi gara-gara itu,
But because of that,
semua anak buah dia
all of his staff
mendukung supaya divisinya berhasil.
supported him to make his
Anak
division
buahnya tidak
success.
mau fail.
His staff do not want to
Justru
fail,
semangat dari divisinya dia meningkat.
and the fire in his division increase
Kalau mereka tahu
because they know
atasannya
his boss
memperhatikan istri
take care of his wife well,
lebih daripada target.
and even more than their target.
Ini adalah bentuk bagaimana kita jadi gembala.
This is how become a shepherd.
Setelah jadi gembala,
After become a shepherd,
nomor 6,
number 6,
Tuhan ajar kepada kita
God teach us
bagaimana menjadi lead to bless leader,
how to be a lead to bless leader,
menjadi servant.
to be a servant.
Bagaimana seorang leader
How a leader
datang kepada muridnya,
come to his disciple,
dia mengambil air,
take the water,
mencuci kaki.
wash their feet.
Bayangkan seorang leader
Imagine a leader
mengambil kaki, membasuh kaki
take the feet
murid-muridnya.
and wash their feet.
Dia berkata, siapa yang memimpin?
They ask, who is the leader?
Dia harus melayani.
They have to serve.
Buat saya kadang-kadang nggak ngerti bagaimana caranya hal seperti ini.
For me, I don't understand how to do this.
Tapi Tuhan ajar saya,
But God teach me
luar biasa untuk saya mengerti apa artinya pelayanan.
to understand ministry well.
Tuhan mengerti bahwa seorang leader itu melayani.
To understand that a leader serve well.
Lewat problem yang saya hadapi bersama anak buah.
Through the problem that I face with my staff.
Suatu saat dari Sabtu,
One day on Saturday,
anak buah saya call saya.
my staff called me.
Pak Paulus tolong doain saya.
Pak Paulus, please pray for me.
Istri saya
My wife
kena kanker stadium 4.
have a cancer, stadium 4.
Saya kaget, wow.
I was
Oh, ya?
surprised. Wow.
Waduh, Pak saya doain. Dia bukan orang Kristen.
Sir, please pray for me. And he is not Christian.
Dia call. Dia tahu saya berdoa.
He called and he knows that I am a prayer.
Karena waktu saya di Astra Gravia
Because when I was in Astra Gravia
as managing directors,
as a managing director,
saya pernah kirim email.
I sent an email.
Saya pengen 2 hari off,
I have 2 days
ada
off
camp gitu.
because
Saya bilang,
I have a camp.
saya mau berdoa untuk kalian.
I said that I want to pray for you.
Waktu saya kirim email
When I sent the email
ke semua anak buah saya,
to all my
saya
staff,
pikir
I thought
yang akan kirim email balik ke saya
the person who sent back the email to me,
paling maksimal 10
maybe maximum 10 emails
dari 300 anak buah saya waktu itu.
from 300 staff that I have.
Dan biasanya yang 10 pun yang Kristen.
And normally who replied me, 10 emails are Christian.
Tapi to my surprise,
But
waktu
to my
saya
surprise,
kirim ke semua anak buah saya
when I sent to my staff,
hundreds email,
hundreds email.
dan mereka, wah Pak tolong doain, ternyata mertua saya sakit, ternyata saya punya problem, banyak sekali anak buah saya itu yang punya problem.
And many of my staff got problem. They say my in-law have sickness and everything.
Terus saya berkata sama diri saya sendiri,
And I said to myself,
Tuhan kenapa saya jadi pemimpin yang buta?
God, why I become a blind leader?
Kenapa saya punya mata tapi nggak melihat?
Why I have an eye but I cannot see?
Setiap hari saya berinteraksi dari mereka.
Every day I have interaction with them.
Hanya cuma 300 orang.
Only 300
Bahkan
people.
tim saya mungkin yang utama 30 orang.
Maybe my core team only 30
Tapi
people.
kenapa saya buta?
But why I'm blind?
Saya tidak bisa melihat mereka punya pain.
I cannot see their pain,
In their heart mereka punya problem sebesar ini.
and I do not know they have this such a big problem.
Padahal waktu makan siang mereka ketawa-ketawa.
During lunch they laugh.
Dan waktu saya baca email mereka,
When I read their
saya
email,
berkata saya buta Tuhan.
I was blind,
Saya
God.
hanya tahu soal financial, saya tahu performance mereka, saya tahu target mereka.
I know their performance, I know financial, I know their target.
Saya pikir saya good manager.
I thought I was a good manager,
Ternyata saya tidak.
but I was not,
Karena saya tidak mengerti mereka.
because I didn't understand them
Karena mereka
well.
punya masalah
They have problem,
dan saya tidak tahu.
and I do not know.
Saat itu
Since that time,
mulai tahun 99 sampai 2003
in the year of 99 to 2003,
saya sadar
I realized
saya nggak mau jadi pemimpin yang brutal.
I do not want to be a blind leader.
Saya bilang sama Tuhan,
I said to God,
bukakan mata saya
God, please open my eyes.
supaya waktu itu saya lihat karyawan saya,
So when I see my staff,
I can see the inside. Saya bisa melihat apa yang terjadi di hati mereka.
I can see what happened to their heart.
Tuhan,
God,
ajar saya
teach me
mengerti waktu memandang mereka,
to understand when I look at them,
supaya saya bisa mengerti apa yang ada di dalam hati mereka.
so I can understand what is
Saya tidak
inside
punya
their heart.
pengetahuan psikologi,
I do not have psychology.
saya tidak punya ilmu seperti itu.
I don't have that kind of knowledge.
Waktu saya melihat fakta ini,
But when I see the facts,
ternyata I'm a blind manager.
in fact, I'm a blind manager.
Saya bilang, Tuhan berikan saya wisdom sekarang,
So I pray, God give me the
supaya saya bisa
wisdom,
mengerti.
so I can understand.
Semenjak saat itu, bit by bit,
Since that moment, bit by bit,
sekarang saya sangat peka.
now I'm so sensitive
Melihat seseorang,
to see someone.
saya akan peka.
I will be
Dan
sensitive,
kata Tuhan bicara orangnya ada masalah.
and God speak to me what's problem happened
Dan
to me.
terus, makin lama makin
And I
tajam.
continuously become sharper.
Sampai tadi setelah session pertama,
Even after the first session,
my wife di belakang ask me,
my wife at the back asked me,
gimana perasaan kamu di session 1?
how do you feel in this first session?
Karena kamu kan bisa lihat wajah-wajah kalian ini.
Because you can see all the face here.
Gimana you feel dengan wajah-wajah ini?
What do you feel with their faces
I
here?
said, oh gini.
I said like
Kenapa?
this and like that.
Karena
Why?
saya pernah buta.
Because I was blind.
Waktu Tuhan kasih, waktu saya minta,
When I asked God,
Tuhan bisa kasih.
God gave it to me.
Sampai saya pernah takut, saudara.
I ever afraid. I
Saya takut jadi
ever been
tukang guamnya.
become a Chinese magician.
Kalau gini, waduh kamu kayaknya cuma manajer.
I see your face.
Direktur,
You like this,
lihat
like
wajah
that.
ini kayaknya begini. Demikian saya begitu, sampai saya takut. Ini nanti saya jadi dukun ini kalau begini.
I become a magician.
Tapi kembali sebagai
Go
seorang apa namanya pelayan.
To be a servant.
Pada waktu itu makanya saya bilang, kok saya nggak kenal ya, nggak tahu ya dia yang itu. Terus saya berdoa waktu dia minta didoain,
When my staff asked me to pray, I pray.
and then berdoa karena dia bukan orang Kristen.
I pray because he is not Christian.
Saya berdoa panjang
I pray quite long,
dari Bethlehem sampai Golgota
from Bethlehem to Golgotha.
supaya dia tahu.
So he knows.
Tiba-tiba setelah pikiran saya, boleh nggak saya
I
datang?
thought,
Boleh nggak saya pray?
can I come and pray?
Ada bilang, of course.
And he said, of course.
Kalau orang udah sakit,
If someone is sick,
siapapun mau mendoain akan oke. Apalagi
whoever
saya
want to pray, they will be okay.
Gimana? Tapi itu di Bogor,
But then it is in Bogor,
60
few
km
hours,
dari Jakarta.
60 kilometers from Jakarta.
Saya nggak ada sopir waktu itu.
I didn't have a driver that time.
Ya saya berangkat ya.
I just go.
Saya ada acara, saudara saya bersama sama istri saya.
Actually, I have another event, but then
Yeah.
I come with my wife.
Sudah kita datang. Saya mau
Let's
datang.
come. I want to come.
Terus dia bilang, Pak,
And he said to me,
tapi istri saya ada di rumah dukun. Di rumah dukun.
oh, but then my wife is in magician house.
Dukun itu apa ya? Anda tahu dukun itu kan? Ya, ya.
Traditional, yeah.
Ya,
Witch.
ya, witch. Nanti gak apa-apa. Kalau perlu dukunnya
It's okay.
saya doain sekalian.
I can pray for the magician too.
Doain sekalian aja deh.
Let's pray together then.
Kita datang ke sana,
We came there.
saya berdoa.
I prayed.
Ada ibunya, ada semua, saya berdoa. Dan saya berdoanya begini,
Everyone there.
Tuhan supaya mereka bisa melihat kuasamu.
I pray that
Sembuhkan
God
dia.
let them see your power.
Kalau dia sembuh,
If she is healed,
Wah, luar biasa.
It's gonna be amazing.
Itulah manusia.
That's human.
Pengennya luar biasa, maksudnya untuk membesarkan Tuhan.
Our willingness is great. Sounds like we want to make the name of God great.
Sebetulnya pengen saya besar.
Actually, I am the one who want to be great.
Tuhan nggak jawab,
God didn't answer.
nggak sakitnya nggak sembuh.
The sickness is not
Udah
healed.
berdoa,
Pray,
tetap nggak sembuh.
still it's not healed.
And then setelah itu
After that,
saya pulang.
I went home.
Setiap kali dia sakitnya kritis,
Every time they have critical illness,
dia telepon saya.
they call me.
Saya udah bilang sama sekretaris saya,
I told my
kalau dia
secretary,
telepon,
if he call me,
saya ada di depan meeting kamu mesti ketok.
even though I have a meeting, you need to knock,
Kamu kasih tahu saya
tell me,
akan percepat meeting
I will make the
dan
meeting
saya akan
faster,
lari ke hospital.
and I will run to the hospital.
Apalagi kalau meetingnya di bawah saya.
And some more if the meeting is all the people under me.
Kasih tahu, tiap kali ada critical,
Every time got critical,
saya akan call, oke, saya akan datang.
and I got a call, okay, I will come.
Pergi ke rumah sakit
Go to the hospital,
dan saya berdoa.
and I pray.
Setiap saya berdoa,
Every time I pray,
banyak orang saudara dia,
a lot of people of his relatives,
setelah saya berdoa dia tenang lagi.
after I pray, they become calm.
Sehingga anak buah saya bilang,
So my staff said,
aduh Pak, kalau udah gini tenang lagi.
if this happen after you pray,
Saya
we are
pulang.
calm.
Dan itu terjadi 2 tahun.
And it happened for 2 years.
Dan akhirnya meninggal.
And in the end, pass away.
Saya tanya sama Tuhan,
I asked God,
kenapa?
why?
Dan saya tahu jawabannya.
And I know the answer.
Supaya penyakitnya itu
So the sickness,
untuk mendidik saya
to educate me, to train
menjadi
me,
seorang leader
to be a leader,
yang punya hati
who have a heart
sebagai pelayan.
as a servant.
2 years.
2 years.
Setiap kritikal,
Every call,
saya tinggalkan meeting kalau saya yang pimpin.
sickness. If I lead the meeting, I have
Ya.
left the meeting.
Berdoa ke sana.
And I go to the hospital and
Supaya
pray.
Tuhan didik.
God train me.
Supaya saya
So I
menjadi hati
have a heart
seorang pelayan.
of a servant.
Gampang?
Easy? It is not.
Tapi Tuhan ajar dengan demikian.
But
Setelah
God
dia
teach me.
meninggal,
After pass away,
suatu saat dia mau direkrut oleh orang lain.
my staff was about recruited by other company.
Dia di offered more than 2 times salary. And
He was
then
offered
this
2 times of the salary in our company.
and the one who want to hijack my friend is also my friend.
The one who want to hijack my staff is my friend.
Setelah bercoba nggak bisa,
After trying
akhirnya dia
so
tanya
many
sama
times,
anak buah saya, kenapa?
after trying so many times and fail, and actually this other company asked him why.
Selama Pak Paulus jadi atasan saya,
As long as Paulus is my boss,
saya tidak mau pindah.
I do not want to move anymore.
Kenapa?
Why?
Karena waktu istri saya sakit 2 tahun,
Because when my wife sick for 2 years,
Pak Paulus pisah saya.
Paulus took a good care of me.
Jadi membuat karyawan kita engage
Make our staff engaged to us.
itu butuh time and energy,
It takes time and energy.
butuh you
It needs you.
as a present.
Yes.
Jadi akhirnya saya bilang oke, secretnya adalah jika kembali Tuhan aja saya.
God
Kemudian
teach me.
yang ketujuh kita bicara
Seven,
setelah kita belajar menjadi servant,
after
yang
we learn to be a servant,
bagaimana kita bisa menjadi
how to
parent.
be authoritative parenting.
Bayangkan kita sama Tuhan selalu berdoa,
We always pray to God,
Bapa kami yang di surga,
our Father in heaven,
datanglah kerajaanmu,
your kingdom comes,
jadilah
your
kehendakmu
will be done
seperti di dalam di bumi seperti di dalam surga.
on earth like in heaven.
Bayangkan kalau doa itu dibalik.
Just
Saya
imagine.
selalu seperti itu. Bagaimana kalau kita menjadi
I always like
bapaknya
that.
anak-anak?
How about if we become the father.
Kalau anak buah kita berdoa
If our staff
atau
pray,
memikirkan pada kita, Pak Mulus yang ada di kantor, apakah dia bisa punya feeling yang sama? Waktu kita berdoa sama Tuhan, Bapa kami yang di surga, kita feel different.
if we pray, our Father in heaven, and we feel different,
Bagaimana anak buah kita kalau datang menghadap kita dan Bapak kami yang di kantor, dia feel different nggak pulang?
how about our staff when they come to us and say, our Father in office, do they feel different when they go home?
Ini adalah tugas yang Tuhan ajarkan kepada kita untuk menjadi lead to bless leader.
This is the job that God teach us to be a lead to bless leader.
Kalau kita bisa menjadi parent yang baik,
If we can be a good parent,
parent yang baik. Nah untuk itu, ini ya,
for that,
setiap kita punya degree.
we
Bagaimana
have all the
kondisi
degree.
kita
First our
sebagai
condition.
ya, yang pertama sampai ke parent.
The first condition to the last condition as
Kalau kita
parent.
cek sama anak buah kita, saya tuh tipenya seperti apa
If
sih?
we check with our staff, which type of us?
Saya nggak pakai Mentimeter hari ini,
I never use a mentor today,
tapi kembali buat kita mesti cek
but it
kita itu
needs us
seperti
to
apa.
check what kind of leader we are.
Saya bilang, Pak Paulus saya kan orangnya nggak begitu.
And you said, I'm not that kind of person, but Paulus,
Ingat yang pertama,
remember the first point,
karakter
character
is a choice.
is a choice.
Kalau engkau mau jadi servant,
If you want to be a servant,
ask God, and that God will give you problem supaya bisa kau jadi servant yang baik.
ask God, and God will give you problems so you can be a good servant.
Yang kedua,
Second point,
kita bicara soal the head, bukan the heart. The head of the leader.
so this is not the heart, but the head of the leader.
Seperti kalimat ini,
Just like these sentences,
kalau yang ini, talent itu God given gift.
this point is talent is a God-given gift.
Dari masing-masing kita
So every single one of us
punya talent.
have a talent.
Saya punya talent A, B, C, Anda D, E, F. Kita berbeda karena Tuhan memberikan kita talent yang berbeda-beda.
I have talent A, B, C, and you have D, E, F. So we all of us have a different talent.
Itu sudah kita nggak bisa, kita harus terima itu talent.
So we have to receive that talent.
Kalau karakter
But character
as a choice,
is a choice.
talent
Talent
itu God's given gift.
is God-given gift.
Makanya nanti bagian ini saya mau bilang, kenapa banyak orang tidak sukses di karirnya?
Why so many people never success in their
Yang
career?
profesional
To
tidak
all
sukses
professionals
di karirnya.
who are not success in the
Yang business
career,
owner tidak
Business
sukses
owner.
di bisnisnya.
not success in their business.
Kenapa?
Why?
Bukan kau bodoh,
It's not because we are not
bukan yang
smart.
lain,
It's not other
tapi
factor.
80% dari pengalaman saya,
But 80% of my experience,
talent Anda tidak cocok dengan tuntutan pekerjaan Anda.
your talent is not matched with your work demand.
Your business tidak cocok dengan talent Anda.
Your business is not matched with your talent.
Makanya bisnis yang kau create,
That's why the business that you
bisnis
create,
yang kau pimpin
the business that you lead,
tidak maju
never develop
karena itu tidak cocok dengan your talent.
because that is not matched with your talent.
Kenapa kok karir Anda mentok?
Why your career stuck?
Saya ada cuma staff, cuma managers.
Why you stuck with just only being a staff, being a manager?
Karena
Because
pekerjaan Anda
your work
tidak cocok dengan talent Anda.
is not matched with your
Kalau
talent.
pekerjaan cocok dengan talent Anda.
If your work is matched with your
Kalau your
talent
business cocok dengan talent Anda,
and your business matched with
kau
your
pasti
talent,
akan perform bagus.
you're gonna perform well.
Itu sebabnya di dalam career counseling,
So in career counseling,
saya banyak merubah anak buah saya pindah.
I changed a lot of my staff to shift and move to other department
Karena saya bilang,
because I said
your pekerjaan nggak cocok.
your work is not matched.
Engkau boleh kerja keras,
You can work hard.
tapi kalau your talent nggak cocok dengan tuntutan pekerjaan,
If your talent is not matched with the work
kau
demand,
tidak akan pernah maju.
you won't go any further.
Ini yang di dalam buku saya selalu tekankan.
This is what I emphasize on my book.
Talent God's
talent.
given gift. You have to
It's
know
God's given
talent.
gift. You have to
Kalau
know talent.
tidak, engkau mesti kerja keras,
If
punya
not,
bisnis
you have to work
apapun.
hard. No matter what kind of business you have, it won't happen.
Saya punya 30 perusahaan, saya memimpin 30
I lead
perusahaan
30 companies
dengan 4 kerajaan tadi,
with 4 kingdoms that I
infrastructure,
explained,
logistik, IT, property.
infrastructure, logistic, property, and
Saya
IT.
pilihin orang yang cocok dengan bidangnya.
I choose the person who is matched with the work demand.
Presiden Direktur infrastruktur saya,
My infrastructure,
Presiden Direkturnya justru saya ambil dari bekas marketing financial company.
the president director, I took him from marketing company.
COO, Chief Operation Officer dari Astra Property,
Chief officer from Astra Property.
saya ambil dari lulusan teknik elektro cum laude dari ITB, justru nggak ngerti properti. Saya suruh pimpin divisi properti.
I took someone who has cum laude in the technique, electrical technique in ITB is one of the famous university in Indonesia.
Kenapa? Saya mau mengerti anak buah saya inside.
I want to know them inside out.
Waktu saya pindahin mereka,
When I shift them,
saya tahu persis mereka akan perform sesuai dengan God's given gift.
I know for sure that they will perform
Yang,
based on God's given gift.
yang paling sedih,
The most sad story,
kalau ada suami istri,
if husband and wife,
papa mama
father and mother,
tidak tahu
Do not
talentnya anaknya.
the talent of their children.
Berapa kali saya diminta sama teman saya,
How many times my friend asked me,
ngobrol sama anak saya,
please talk to my
karena
children,
saya nggak ngerti dia maunya apa.
because I do not know
Saya
what
nggak
they
ngerti
want.
talentnya apa.
I do not know their talent.
Saya bilang anaknya sopo sebetulnya.
Whose children is this?
Karena Anda tidak mau pakai hati.
Because you do not want to use your heart.
Kalau kau nggak mengerti your children,
If you do not understand your children,
karena nggak mengerti hati,
you do not understand their heart.
kau bisa build your company,
You can build your company,
kau assign itu pada karya apa anak buah anakmu yang tidak cocok dengan talentnya,
you assign your children who are not matched with their talent,
perusahaanmu akan rusak.
your company will be spoiled.
Karena Tuhan punya talent masing-masing.
Because God has specific
Jadi sebabnya
talent.
hari ini,
That's why
kalau kau
today,
merasa talent karir Anda sebagai profesional sudah mentok,
if you feel that your career as a professional stuck,
atau kalau kau punya perusahaan,
or if you have company,
kau merasa perusahaanmu sudah puluhan tahun tidak maju,
and you think that it's been so many years and you stuck with your company,
mungkin saatnya kau melepas dan kasih orang lain jadi shareholder saja deh.
it's time to let go to other people, just become a shareholder.
Karena perusahaan dan itunya tidak akan pernah maju kalau against God's given gift.
Because it won't go anywhere if it is against God's given gift.
Ini ada tes, silakan baca.
This is a test, please read.
Keras out loud. 1,
Read it
2,
out
3.
loud.
1, 2, 3. Keras.
Read it out loud, please.
Siapa yang bingung itu
is
apa? Please
confused?
raise your hand. Siapa
You
yang
don't
bingung?
even know what is that.
Please raise your hand.
Raise
Oke.
your hand.
50%. Siapa yang langsung bisa gampang itu? Raise your hand.
And you can read it well. Raise
Yeah.
your hand. Those of you who
Siapa
can
yang
read
bisa
it well.
tebak tadi?
You
Raise your
can
hand.
guess at it. You can guess. Can
Yeah.
you raise your hand?
Ya. Kalau yang gampang lihat itu kamu otak kanan,
If you are easily read it, so you use your right brain.
creativity. Tapi kalau Anda susah baca,
And that's
artinya itu otak kiri
creativity.
Anda kuat.
If you cannot read it, so means your left brain is stronger.
Gak ada yang betul. Mana yang apakah
There's
bagus mana?
nothing
No.
wrong or right.
Ini adalah talent.
This is talent.
Dan dengan begini Anda tahu, oh saya di mana? Ulangi sekali lagi ya.
So you know. So
One.
I will repeat it once again.
1, 2, 3.
Please read it out
Read,
loud.
read, read. artinya apa?
So the meaning is,
Kalau kita read it dengan left brain ya susah. Karena ini nggak masuk di akal.
if we read with our left brain, it's gonna be impossible.
Ini mesti
It's not
imagination.
logic.
Ya, ini mesti imagine. Terus, kok bisa terus dari mana? Ini
How
T,
become this?
ini H, ini 1S.
This is T, this is H, this is
Ini yang saya bilang
I,
ini
this
adalah
is S.
talent.
So this is what I call talent.
Dalam buku saya,
In my book,
ya di dalam buku saya ada 7 talent.
there are 7 talents.
Ya, 7 talent yang ada di dalam kita. Yang
7
pertama,
talents inside of us.
ada orang yang talentnya dreamer.
First one, the talent of dreamer.
Yang dia bisa fokusnya luar biasa, visionary, long term orientation, creative and innovative, and favorite words, future dream, vision, mission, investment, innovation. So the dreamers, it's easy to dream 20 years from now, what will Malaysia be? Wow, the dreamer can say, blah, blah, blah. 2025, what will be Indonesia? 2000, blah, blah, blah. He is easy to imagine the futures. The second itu arsitek yang bisa desain blueprint, roadmap, flowchart, transformation. Arsitek basically, this is a dreamer. I can build, I can design according to the dreamers. And then the third part is the builder. Builder doesn't have dream, fusion, vision of the futures, cannot design the roadmap, but if they have the roadmap, the builder can build very good. So basically, and then harvester, I skip shaper first. Harvester, see opportunity, very simple, oh, wow, blah, 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 blah. Harvester, this is like a salesman, see opportunity, how to win the projects, and reinvent the world. Reinvent means create new horizon. There's somebody who can create things. After the first session and the capsule test study, on the second the second project, we have to do it like this. Because blah, blah, blah. I think somebody is really having competence to do the reinvent. It's better not to do this one, because Pak Paulus is 3 hours and 2 hours. Don't ask Pak Paulus to come back. Ask Pak Paulus just 30 minutes, for example. And so on and so on. And operator, they don't have anything, but he can perform. And before there's 3 and there's 3, we have another person, shaper. Shaper always see different things. So, kalau dia lagi makan,
If he is eating,
kalau orang yang shaper
normally,
tadi dimakan siang di situ,
during our lunch,
makan kok kayak gini, mestinya yang agak panas, mestinya begini.
eating why the food is like this, it should be warmer, it should be like this, like
Begitu
that.
masuk ruangan,
When they enter the room,
mestinya lebih lebar.
Shepard will say it needs
Pokoknya
to be
kalau dia
wider.
belum kritik,
If he is not critic,
dia belum
do
tidur
critic
nyenyak.
yet, he cannot sleep.
Nah orang kayak gini,
This type of
cocoknya di internal audit.
internal audit person.
Yang paling sedih
The most sad story
buat bapak-bapak,
for those men,
kalau istrimu kayak begini,
if your wife is this type of person,
apapun salah.
whatever you are doing, you are wrong.
Suatu saat,
One day,
ini mau ada 50 tahun perkawinan,
we're gonna have 50 years anniversary,
istrinya sudah ke
wedding
salon,
anniversary.
istrinya udah ke
The
salon,
wife went to
sudah pakai
beauty
rambutnya seperti burung
salon
merak.
and make the hair so high.
Dia bilang sama suaminya,
And she asked to her husband,
mama cocoknya pakai baju apa ya?
what kind of dress fit me?
Waduh, istri, suaminya bangga sekali. Baru kali ini istrinya tanya saya.
Wow, her husband so proud. Wow, this is the first time only my wife asked me.
Ini ada merah, kuning, hijau.
We have red,
Menurut
green,
kamu,
and yellow.
Mam, menurut kamu yang cocok yang mana?
Daddy, which one fit me?
Husbandnya lihat,
And husband look at her.
cocoknya gold, Mam.
Wow, it's very fit you for the gold one.
Istrinya bilang,
And his wife said,
kita kan datang ke 50 tahun perkawinan.
we come to 50 wedding anniversary,
Kalau
50
saya
years.
gold,
If I wear gold,
saya dianggap keluarga.
they will consider me as their
Jelek
family.
dong,
No, this is not good.
jelek dong. Masa gold?
No, I cannot wear gold.
Suaminya pikir lagi,
And her husband thinking,
merah.
okay, red.
Masa kayak mau Imlek kan?
It's just like a Chinese New Year.
Oh jadi
So,
hijau.
okay, green.
Nah, cocok.
Good.
Suaminya bilang aja dari tadi hijau, ngapain
Her
suruh tanya
husband
saya?
said, you just said green in the very beginning, why you ask me?
Istrinya kasih 3 over,
His wife give 3 offers,
tapi sebetulnya dia pengennya hijau.
but actually she wants green.
Suaminya pilih kuning sama merah.
And her husband asked for the yellow and red.
Jadi akibatnya salah.
So her husband make mistake.
Itu sebabnya
That's why.
pria sering mati duluan ya begini.
That's why husband die first before.
Maksud saya apa? Ini loh. Kalau
This is
kita
what
punya
I meant.
ini kembali di kantor juga sama.
Even in the
Kalau
office.
engkau sedikit-sedikit semua anak buah kamu semua dikritik,
If you do a lot of critics to your people, to your staff,
engkau mati muda.
you're gonna die young.
Kenapa? Kenapa? Orang yang kritik itu capek.
Because if you do critics, normally you get
Karena
exhausted.
mereka engkau observe yang jelek.
Because you always do bad at
Dari 100
observation.
bagus,
From
engkau
100 good
observe
things,
10 jelek.
you only observe
Engkau
the
ngomong
10
10
bad
jelek.
things, you say 10 bad things.
Kenapa banyak yang nggak bisa tidur?
Why many people cannot sleep?
Karena begini.
Because of this.
Makanya eksekutif
That's
yang
why
suka kritik hidupnya nggak
executive
bahagia.
who always critics to people, criticize people, they cannot live happily.
Ini yang paling penting. Ya,
This is most important.
setiap kita itu ada positif dan negatif.
Every single one of us have
Yang
positive and
dreamer,
negative.
yang suka dengan dreamer
Those who like dreamer
akan bilang,
will
wow,
say,
dia think far ahead, bisa melihat ke atas, ya, melihat yang lebih 3 langkah ke depan. Tapi yang nggak suka akan bilang, alah, dia itu cuma tukang mimpi, nggak down to earth.
those who don't like dreamer, they will say,
Nggak down to earth, down to earth lah.
he never down to earth.
Padahal emang dreamer kok suka down to earth. Kalau down to earth itu namanya operator.
Down to earth people is the operator.
Orang yang operator,
The operator
yang
people,
suka sama operator,
those who
dia
like
bilang,
operator,
wow, dia kerjanya bagus.
wow, he is
Tapi
doing a
yang nggak
great
suka,
job. But for those who don't like,
dia nggak kreatif.
he is not
Dia
creative.
kurang strategik.
He do not have strategy.
Dikirim ke kursus
He sent to training,
University of Malaysia,
University of Malaysia,
training strategic management,
training for the strategic management,
supaya you more strategic.
so he can be more strategic.
2 hour session,
To our session,
baru 5 menit,
5
terus
minutes,
ke WC terus.
then go to the
Dia bilang,
toilet,
ini pengajarnya ngomong apa?
and operator people what the teacher says
Karena tidak
about,
mengerti,
because he doesn't understand,
karena dia tidak punya talent mikir jauh
because
ke
he
depan.
doesn't have the talent to think far
Itulah indahnya Tuhan.
ahead.
Setiap kita punya talent yang sangat berbeda.
That's what the beauty of God. He create different talent to us.
Ini yang menyebabkan kesuksesan. Ini adalah
It makes
But-
success.
bagaimana kita bisa adjust dengan atasan. Ini
How we
adalah
can
contoh.
adjust
Kalau atasan kita seperti itu,
if
Bawahan.
our boss is the
like
above,
this, ya,
like
kemudian
that,
kita seperti ini akan jadi
and we
konflik.
are this part.
Atasan kita dreamer,
This is our boss, dreamer.
kita shaper,
We are shaper.
kita reinvent,
We are infant.
konflik.
Conflict.
Kalau atasan kita arsitek,
If our boss is
kita
architect,
harvester,
we are
hati-hati.
harvester.
Kita hati-hati
Be
karena
careful.
unik. Kalau
Because
atasan
yellow.
kita arsitek,
If
kita
our
builder,
boss is architect and we are
kita
builder,
cocok.
we are
Kalau
match.
atasan kita reinventor,
If our boss is inventor,
kita arsitek,
we are architect,
konflik terus.
conflict.
Itu sebabnya di dalam training Lead to Bless,
That's why in our training
ini
YouTube,
suami dan istri harus
husband and
diatur.
wife has to be matched.
Kalau suamimu adalah dreamer,
If your husband is a dreamer,
istrinya shaper,
the wife is shaper,
ribut melulu.
conflict.
Kita mau holiday kata Pak Afu. Nah udahlah kita
Mr.
santai
Afu
aja.
said, oh we are going holiday,
Istrinya
okay,
demikian, wow.
relax, relax.
Kita harus tepat jam 7 mau gimana? Ribut melulu.
The wife said, be on time, 7 a.m.
Nah, kita harus tahu. Jadi kalau kita
So we
nggak
have
tahu
to know. If we do not
istri
know
kita kayak gimana,
our wife,
kita seperti apa,
what we are,
kenapa konflik muncul?
why conflict comes,
Karena kita nggak mengerti.
because we do not understand.
Begitu kita tahu,
When we know,
kita adjust.
we adjust ourselves.
Bagaimana dua ini terjadi?
How these two met.
Jadi buat saya,
So for me,
talent ini sangat penting.
talent is so
Dan
important.
bagaimana Anda react karena ada konflik dan komplimen ini?
And how you react to conflict and compliment.
Kenapa selalu mother dan daughter-in-law, daughter dan mother-in-law ribut?
Why there is always a conflict between mother-in-law and the daughter-in-law?
Kuncinya bukan karena apa? Karena
It's
mereka
not
tidak
because of
mengerti
anything
how
else.
to adjust.
They just do not know how to adjust this.
Tapi kalau Anda tahu mengadjust,
If you know how to
seperti
adjust,
kata Billy Graham,
just like Billy Graham said,
kita adalah heavily incompatible. Saya sama istri saya
me and my wife,
sudah 34 tahun menikah.
34 years get
Kita udah
married.
34 tahun. Saya udah punya satu cucu.
I have one grandchildren.
Hari ini senang sekali. Tapi kembali, apakah saya sama istri saya?
When you can guess whether I am the same time with my wife.
Sangat berbeda.
It's totally different.
Ya. Saya adalah orang yang sistematik,
I am systematic person,
disiplin,
discipline,
dan otak kiri saya kuat.
and my
Semua
left
teratur.
brain is so strong.
Istri saya otak kanan.
My
Semua
wife is
bisa.
the
Enggak,
right
saya
brain.
begini apapun. Tapi justru kalau kita konflikkan akan konflik.
So when the conflict happens,
Kalau kita bisa satukan akan
if we
satu.
can unite it, it's gonna be good.
Penting. Saya
So
disiplin.
important. I'm
Karena
so
cara
disciplined.
kerja pun saya disiplin. Saya benar-benar arsitek.
I am an architect.
Jadi kalau saya habis sikat gigi,
So after I brush my teeth,
saya bersihin, saya tahu persis saya sikat giginya bagaimana supaya nggak kecipratan salah sih.
so I will make in such way when I brush my teeth, there's
Saya
no
selalu
water
pin.
cut out.
Supaya saya nggak repot-repot, saya mesti sikat gigi bagaimana?
So I always think how to do a good
Karena my life
teeth
very
brushing
strong.
because my left brain is
Jadi
so
saya
strong.
begini, saya begini supaya cocok, supaya nggak
Okay, so I
repot-repot.
have to make this position for brushing my teeth, so
Kalau
the water
istri
will
saya,
come out.
Begitu,
For my wife,
nggak apa-apa, nanti dibersihin.
for my wife it's okay. Later we clean lah.
Saya kalau mandi,
If I take a bath,
saya tahu persis, saya duduk
I
di
know
mana,
for sure
saya
where to
begini,
sit,
karena setelah mandi saya
take
bersihin.
positions, and then
Saya
after I take a bath, I
Saya
clean it up.
bersihin apa namanya tempat itu, saya
I
bersihin
clean it
supaya
up.
bersih.
So clean.
Kadang-kadang orang bilang istri saya kamu mandi dulu tiap malam, mesti dia pas saya mandi dulu.
That's
Supaya
why
saya
my
bisa
wife
bersihin.
always request to me, I take a bath first and then later you clean.
Ya, saya pertama kali bilang, kenapa kok saya mesti begini?
At first, why?
Begitu saya
I always
biasa
tell them.
bersihin bersihin kamar mandi dengan bagus,
When I clean my bathroom well,
dia senang.
she is happy.
Begitu malam,
At night,
saya bilang,
Mom,
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Ada benefit.
Got benefit.
Waktu saya clean,
When I clean,
setiap saya clean kamar mandi,
when I clean the
saya selalu
bathroom,
mikir,
I always think
gimana clean yang bagus, cepat dan bagus.
how to clean fast.
Alatnya
Good and
gini,
efficient.
saya perhitungkan betul-betul.
I really calculated
Oh.
well using which equipment to clean it fast.
Apakah saya bisa berubah? Sembarangan aja. Nggak bisa.
Can you change me? No.
Karena saya mesti clean. Jadi bersih, begitu bersih dan efisien.
I
Karena
need to be clean and efficient.
semua begini. Begitu kayak tadi, saya begitu selesai, saya bangun tidur,
Just like this morning when I woke up,
saya tidak pernah biarin itu bed itu berantakan.
I never forget to clean up my bed.
Selalu saya beresin
I always
lagi.
clean up my bed.
Caranya gini supaya bagus.
I think this way is good to
Jadi
clean up.
kalau nanti saya tidur, besok Anda datang ke kamar saya, pasti bagus.
Tonight when I sleep, tomorrow when you come to my room, I can make sure it's good.
Kenapa my left brain bilang,
Why? Because my life brain says,
kalau ini rapi,
if this is neat,
semua saya lihat rapi,
everything is neat,
saya akan masuk ke kantor dengan bahagia.
I
Kalau
will-
ini mess,
I will enter the office happily.
ini akan mempengaruhi saya akan mess.
If it is messed up, it will affect me to be messed up and enter the office with a messed up brain.
Itu left brain saya bilang begitu.
That's what my left brain,
Jadi
left
kalau
brain
saya ke
says.
pesawat,
If I enter the
saya go to toilet.
airplane,
Kalau ada
I
yang
go to the toilet.
berantakan,
If I see things messy,
setelah saya ke toilet, saya mesti bersihin.
after I go to the toilet, I clean it up.
Bersihin, kadang-kadang sampai ke bawah.
Sometimes until the floor also I
Karena
clean up.
pikiran saya,
Because my thoughts,
orang yang datang ke saya,
those
setelah
people who
saya,
come after me,
pasti bersih.
I can make sure it's clean.
Bilang, Pak Paulus kenapa melakukan itu?
But Paulus, why you do it?
Saya tidak lakukan bukan untuk siapa-siapa.
I do it not for everybody
Karena
else.
saya mau lakukan.
Because I want to.
Orang yang setelah saya,
And so the person
nggak
after me
rasain toilet kotor.
won't feel dirty toilet
Sampai detik ini.
until this second.
Kemarin saya naik ekonomi,
Yesterday I took Horny.
pasti biasanya kalau ekonomi lebih rusak daripada first class. Banyak orang kan, first class cuma 4, jadi kotor jarang.
Yesterday I took economy, and then normally economy will be so messy compared to first class. Normally in the first class only 4 persons,
That was-
so it's not that messy.
Supaya buat saya enak, beresin ke sini. Kenapa? Saya tahu persis saya. Kalau saya bilang saya kotor, saya tinggalin, saya nggak enak perasaan.
I don't have a good feeling when I left the toilet
Karena
in
my
this
choice
situation, because my
adalah,
choice.
I want to be a blessing. This is a choice. It's not, I don't know, Pak Paulus kenapa ngomong itu? Enggak, this is my choice. Keluar toilet. Kapan-kapan kalau Anda ke SQ sama saya, tunggu aja setelah saya keluar.
If you want to take a flight excuse, same flight with me, you can wait after me going out from the toilet.
Karena my choice.
Because of my choice.
Kalau saya my choice begini, my talent, karakter, dan choice gini, saya hidupnya happy.
I can
Karena
live
saya tidak
happily.
mau seperti itu. Jadi ini yang paling penting, kita tahu seperti apa. Makanya saya bisa match.
So most importantly, we need to know which part we are
Kalau-
so we can match.
Kalau tidak, kita akan rugi.
If not, so you
Yes.
will lose.
Terakhir saya mau bicara bagaimana kita
Mas.
cocok dengan ini.
How to I'm gonna talk about how to match this.
Ya, ini adalah my personal. Saya
This is my personal.
Paulus Bambang tuh ini.
I am Paulus Bambang in this part.
Saya kuat di dreamer.
I'm strong in dreamer.
Saya juga arsitek.
I'm also an
Saya
architect.
reinvent.
So I also reinvent.
I know this is my talent.
I know this is my talent.
Yang kuning
The yellow one
itu biasa aja, nggak strong, nggak weak.
is not strong, it's
Saya
not weak, it's just
good
normal.
builder,
I'm a good builder.
saya shaper. Tapi
I'm a
saya paling
shaper.
jelek, saya bukan tipe operator
The worst is I'm not an operator or
dan saya
harvester.
bukan harvester. Ini saya tahu persis. Jadi kalau saya memimpin perusahaan
When I lead a company,
yang sekedar operate,
just who are only doing operation,
saya pasti gagal
I will fail
karena saya nggak suka.
because I don't like it.
Tapi kalau saya pegang company,
But if I run a company, I need to change this and that
karena dari sementara
because that's my talent.
my energy up
My energy is up
karena saya facing problem.
because I face a problem.
Jadi kalau ada company yang kesulitan,
So when the company faces a problem,
kesulitan, buat
Difficulty?
saya itu malah membuat saya up. Kenapa? Mereka, makanya istri saya bilang, kalau saya
it
nggak
makes me
apa-apa,
up because of my talent. And my wife says,
kalau kita nggak ada apa-apa, 9.30 saya tidur.
if we do not have anything else, 9:30 p.m. normally we sleep.
Kita sleep. Tapi kalau kamu sudah ketemu orang, ngobrol sama orang, sama problemnya, sampai malam juga kamu nggak ngantuk.
But if you talk to someone who have a problem, even until midnight, you won't get sleepy.
Wah, kayak gini ya Pak, perusahaan saya ini cash flow-nya begini, cuma lihat
This is my
bukunya.
company, the cash flow, got problem. Can I see the book?
Memang saya tipenya itu, saya tipenya
I like it
harvester,
because this is my
arsitek,
type.
dan reinvent, sehingga saya bisa revive company yang problem menjadi bagus karena itu my talent.
I can revive a company that got problem to be a good company because that is my talent as a
Makanya saya udah
reviver.
38 tahun di Astra.
So 38 years old,
Saya
38 years I'm in
I
this
like that. I 38 years old. I started my career at zero. That's it. Middle class, right? Okay. Younger. Oke. Kemudian kalau saya bilang, saya lihat saya pindah-pindah, saya selalu senang, oh perusahaan ini infrastruktur baru kan, ditawarin begitu, saya tuh suka sekali.
I really like when I was offered something new, for example in infrastructure.
properti berani nggak kok Paulus ngomongin
How
properti?
about property? Can you develop it?
Kamu tanding dengan seluruh Indonesia yang propertinya begitu.
Can you compete with the property in Indonesia?
Padahal kita baru new kid on the block.
Actually, we just came to the market.
Wow, gimana ya? Semangat sekali gimana kita
I'm
mendirikan
so on fire.
apartemen yang totally different di Jakarta dibandingin
make-
dengan semua apartemen yang
How to make a totally different apartment compared to other competitors.
sampai sekarang kita lakukan
Until now, we are doing it.
dan kita sangat kreatif sehingga kita menghasilkan sesuatu yang different produk-produk kita.
We are so creative. That's why we have a very different result in
Karena
our product.
memang cocok.
It's so matched with me.
Saya pertama kali masuk Astra sebagai IT
First time I enter Astra as IT man,
man, dan saya tahu pekerjaan ini menuntut ini.
and I know this work demand me this point.
Jadi ini adalah jobnya butuh ini.
This is the job.
Saya bisa
I can
sebagai sistem analis.
I can perform in system
Karena
analysis
Tuhan give saya otak yang encer,
because God give me a good brain.
tapi saya tahu kalau saya di IT terus,
But I know if
saya akan stuck.
I will be stuck in IT.
Karena apa? Tuntutan pekerjaan
Why? Because the demand
tidak cocok dengan talent
is
saya.
not match my talent.
Saya dipindah lagi ke human
So I
resources.
was moved to human resources.
Sama, setelah saya naik jadi vice president,
When I became vice president,
saya sebelum 40,
before 40 years old,
saya datang ke presiden saya,
I came to my president director,
former state-owned enterprise minister of Indonesia, Ibu Rini.
Mrs. Rini.
Saya bilang, Bu, saya nggak cocok.
I said, sorry, it's
Kalau
not match. with me.
Saya cuma di back office,
If
saya
I
akan
only
stuck.
work in the back office,
Saya harus ada di depan.
I need to be in the front.
Saya akan mimpin bisnis.
I'm gonna lead the company.
Saya coba. Akhirnya dikasih kesempatan oleh Ibu
I
Rini.
tried, and she gave me opportunity.
Dan Anda lihat, pada waktu saya masuk ke bisnis,
And you know, when I enter this business,
bisa merubah.
I
Bukan
can
karena
change.
saya bagus,
Not
tapi
because
karena bisnis yang saya pilih cocok dengan talent saya.
not because I'm good, but then because of all the business that I choose match with my
Saya di
talent.
offer, kamu invent manufacturing ya?
I was offered for event manager.
Saya bilang, no.
No,
Manufacturing, saya don't like manufacturing. Dan
Oh,
nggak
sorry.
akan pernah cocok.
I was offered for manufacturing, but then I said no because it didn't match my talent for
Mau nggak pegang
manufacturing.
financial services?
Can you handle financial services?
No.
No,
Karena banyak yang ini nggak boleh, ini nggak boleh.
because
saya
too
nggak
many
mau.
restriction.
Jadi kembali, saya harus tahu persis.
So I need to know for sure my talent.
Ini yang sangat penting. Ini yang sangat penting.
This is
buat
very important
banyak anak-anak muda. Karena di
For
sini
all
banyak
young people,
40% lebih di
because
bawah
more than
40.
40%
Saya lihat.
are under 40 years old.
Saya lihat profil Anda,
I see your profile.
banyak yang gagal
Many of you
di dalam
fail
perusahaan
in the
karena kau
company
melawan God's talent.
because you go against God's talent.
Itu sebabnya saya mau bilang nanti di dalam
That's what I
training,
want to say in the training.
nanti karena setelah selesai camp SS ini,
Because after this
akan
camp,
ada gleam, mungkin akan ada lead to bless leader, whatever, tapi understand God's talent.
after this camp, there will be a lot of other like gleam and other training. But then please understand God gives talent.
Ini yang sangat penting. Kenapa kita di dalam kehidupan kita bisa berjalan dengan enteng, bukan karena kita pintar, tapi tidak konflik dengan pekerjaan kita.
That's why in our life, why we can walk well and we do not have a conflict in our work.
Jadi ini yang menyebabkan
It
menyebabkan kita bisa passionate,
cause us to be
kita
passionate.
bisa perform.
It cause us to perform well.
Ada hal yang sangat penting.
There are important things.
Saya mau tutup dengan
I'm going to
satu.
close.
Pada waktu saya menarik menjadi, karena saya seorang dreamer tadi,
Because of I am a dreamer.
saya seorang arsitek
I'm an architect,
dan saya seorang reinvent.
and I'm also a reinventor.
Saya berhubungan dengan karyawannya dengan talent saya itu.
I have a relationship with my staff with using these talents.
Saya gabungkan dengan tadi pagi Build to Bless.
I will connect it to Build to Bless.
Suatu saat saya dipindah ke United Tractors
One day I was moved to United Tractors
untuk memimpin mining
to lead mining
dari 2003 sampai 2011.
From 2003 to 2011.
Waktu pertama kali saya mimpin,
At first when I led,
coal price jelek sekali.
it was so bad performance.
Harga batu bara jelek
Coal
sekali.
price was so bad,
Tiba-tiba saya harus pergi ke Kalimantan.
and then I need to go to Kalimantan.
Saya mau jualan alat berat Komatsu.
I want to sell tractors,
So, saya bilang sama anak buah saya,
Komatsu.
orang Australia,
So I told my staff, Australian,
master dari University of New South Wales.
master from University of New South Wales.
Dia technical tinggi,
He is very high
dia
in
punya
technique.
segala macam. Dia udah berusaha menjual 2 tahun nggak bisa.
He tried to sell the tractors for 2 years,
Dia
but cannot.
he came to me.
And he came to me
Dia bilang, Pak, kayak gini.
and he said to me, Pak, this is what happened.
Kenapa kita gagal?
Why we fail?
Karena pendekatan kita teknik.
Because our approach is technical.
Karena kita coba pendekatannya nggak teknik.
Now we use not technical approach.
Apa itu?
What is that?
Dia bilang, kamu over kepada pemimpin ini
I said, you offer to the leader,
adalah produk.
you offer the product.
Jangan mesin ini laku berapa.
Do not say that this machine sold
Jadi-
for how many.
Tapi kita lihat apa yang bisa dilakukan dengan mesin ini.
But we need to tell them what
Tapi
the
karena
machine
saya
can
orang
do.
baru,
Because I was new,
dia pengalaman,
he got experience,
dia master,
he was a master,
dia nggak percaya.
he didn't
Tolong,
trust me.
tolong saya mau ketemu dengan pemimpin di KPC sana, di Kalimantan.
So I said I want to meet the leader of the
Dan
KBC in
15 menit cukup
Kalimantan.
lah,
Only 15 minutes.
sudah cukup. Saya mau ketemu sama dia.
I want to
Saudara
meet
orang
him.
Kanada, orang Kanada.
Is
Waktu saya
person from Canada.
menariknya, waktu saya sampai ke kamarnya pemimpin ini,
When I reached the room,
saya berdoa. Saya
of the
nggak sadar.
leader, I
Saya
prayed,
berdoa, dan dia tahu.
and he knows that I prayed.
Saya mau pada Tuhan berikan saya
And
ide
I asked God, give me
pendekatan
idea
sales yang lain.
to make a new sales approach.
Jangan selling tools, tapi selling services or solution.
Please give me idea, not selling a tools, but selling
Tanpa
services.
sadar saya berdoa aja.
I just prayed.
Selesai,
After
dan kita
finish,
masuk, kita diskusi.
and
Yuk,
we made discussion.
Pak, yang kita offer adalah ini, Pak.
This is what we offer, sir.
Totally different dengan yang dia selama 2 tahun projects.
Totally different with what
Saya karena tipenya dreamer,
He did for 2
arsitek
years.
sama reinvent, saya nggak akan bisa pintar sama dia tipe harvesters.
I'm not as smart as him who is harvester, because I am dreamer, architect, and
Pendekatannya
reinventor.
lain.
It's different approach.
Singkat cerita,
Long story short,
goal. Hari itu langsung
successful.
salaman.
And we shake hand that day.
Terus dia bilang sama saya,
And then he said to me,
Pak, saya udah 2 tahun
so for 2 years,
jualan,
I'm selling this,
kok nggak bisa?
but I couldn't make it.
Kenapa Bapak?
Why?
Cuma 15-30 menit
Only 15 minutes,
bisa.
you can make it.
Saya cuma bilang, karena
only say-
Anda
Because
dipenjara oleh pengalaman.
you were prison with your
Anda
experience.
dipenjara oleh kesuksesan
You were
masa lalu.
prison with your success in the
Orang yang
past.
sudah sukses dengan gaya begini,
Those
akan
people
terus begini.
who are
Sudah,
already successful with this style, they
sudah
will
2
keep
tahun
on
pun
doing this.
tetap dengan cara begini.
No matter how many years, you will still doing the same.
Nah, saya
You need
datang
to
dengan
look at
cara
the way.
lain.
And I came with new way,
Akibatnya gampang terjadi. Nah,
and it's successful.
ini yang harus kita lakukan terus
This is what
menerus.
we need to do continuously.
Tapi ada side efeknya
There is a side effect
dari proses itu,
from that process.
bukan soal talent,
It's not about the
tapi
talent,
masuk ke karakter.
but entering the characters.
Karena dia tahu kok saya berdoa dan berhasil,
Because he knows that I am praying and I'm successful,
pada waktu dia mau menikah,
When he got married,
dia bilang, Pak Pros yang doain ya.
he said to me, please pray for me.
Dia orang pernikah dengan orang lokal
He got married with the local
di
Indonesian
sana.
in Kalimantan.
Kau tahu kalau orang asing ketemu sama orang lokalnya itu kayak apa?
You know that if foreigner met a local person, you can guess what kind of local person she is.
Pas pas perkawinan,
During the wedding,
saya datang sama istri sama anak saya.
I came with my wife and my
Kita datang.
son. We came,
Kita cium pipi kanan
we
pipi.
greet them,
Ya. Dan istri saya juga sama,
and also my wife greet them.
biasa kayak kita.
Our greeting is
Tapi saya tahu
actually
siapa
touching cheek, left hand, left hand side.
Saya tahu siapa dia dan dia tahu siapa saya. Tapi kok kita mau?
I know who he is and he knows who am I.
Jadi begitu saya berdoa,
When I pray,
ini black,
this is black
Ini white.
side, this is white
Australia,
side.
ini begitu. Jadi
This
saya berdoa bahasa
Australian.
Inggris, bahasa Jawa, bahasa Inggris, bahasa Jawa.
English, Japanese.
Rupanya setelah itu buat kena. Oh, ternyata doa luar biasa ya.
After that, I realized that prayer is amazing.
Setiap kali saya ke sana,
Every time I come,
saya datang ke rumahnya,
I come to his house.
saya bilang sama istrinya,
I told his
tolong kasih
wife,
saya kopi. Dia
please
bikin
give
kopi.
me coffee because she is a good person in making, is very good in making coffee.
Setiap kali ke sana,
Every time I came,
hanya datang untuk ketemu sama orang-orang ini.
I only come
Di
to
rumahnya.
meet his people in his house.
Suatu saat,
One day,
saya sudah jadi vice president.
I became vice president.
Orang ini di offer
This person was offered
tiap bulan lebih $15,000, 15,000
more
higher.
than 15,000 higher salary.
Anak
He
buah
was
saya
offered for
sudah
that.
bilang nggak mungkin, dia pasti pergi.
My staff said it's impossible. He will leave the company. He will
Saya
leave the
bilang,
company.
saya bilang sama anak buah saya
Told my staff,
akan take care,
I will take care.
saya akan call.
I will call him.
Saya call sama dia,
I called him.
Bill, kenapa kamu mau pergi?
Bill, why you are leaving the company?
Singkat cerita,
Long
saya
story short,
bilang, I need you to stay.
I said, I need you to stay.
I still need you.
I still need
And
you.
then Bill, give me a second, but I will talk to my wife. So when he mentioned he will talk to my wife, I said to my wife, finish. Because 15,000 a month different, big. So I think we cannot protect him to live. Because I know who she is, and I know who she was. And $15,000 a month is a big for her to live in Indonesia, especially in building the village. Setelah 30 minutes, he called me back. And then to my surprise, he mentioned to me, my wife mentioned, we will stay. Huh? We will stay. And then, okay, Bill, next week I will come back to you. I will go to Kalimantan. As soon as possible, I will talk to your wife. And then the day after that, I call my people, my team. Apollos, what do you promise? How much money do you want to increase salary? No increase, not everything. But why do they stay? I don't know. So I said, just call. I need you and stay. Week later, I went to Kalimantan, meet him in the airport. I said, go to your dormitory first. I want to meet with your wife. First thing, I want to meet with your wife. Sitting in the sofa, give me coffee. Okay, sit down, but. And I said, why do you stay? Why you advise your husband to stay with $15,000 different? She smiled and said, because you make me like human. When we were married, you and your wife came, and then cipika-cipiki, because I know who she was. That's make me, in your sight, I'm human. And then I said, wow. Singkat cerita,
Long story short,
Sampai hari ini
until today,
dia masih menjadi sahabat kita
they are our best friend
karena pendekatan
because of approach,
human.
human approach.
Hari ini
And today,
saya mau tutup.
I'm going to close.
Kalau engkau merasa pengen
You
jadi
feel.
little blessed leader,
You want to be a little blessed leader,
it's your choice,
it is your choice.
bukan your talent.
It's not your talent,
Karena character is your choice.
because character is your choice.
Tapi kalau Anda ingin sukses di your business,
But if you want to be successful in your
Anda ingin
business,
sukses in your professional career,
if you want to be successful in your personal career,
your talent is very important.
your talent is very
Don't
important.
work di dalam pekerjaan yang different with your talents.
Do not work in a company that is different with your
Don't do
talents.
business yang against your talent.
Do not look for a business that against your
Kau boleh
talents.
kerja keras,
You can work hard,
tapi engkau akan gagal.
but you will fail.
Dan hari ini,
And today,
belajar mengerti apa yang Tuhan mau.
learn from what God wants
Yang
for your
ada di
life.
dalam hidup. Yang ada di dalam hidupmu.
There is in
Supaya
your life.
engkau bisa align dengan bisnis, dengan keluarga dan profesi kamu.
So you can align with your business, with your
Mari kita berdoa.
career and your family. Let's pray together.
Tuhan Yesus,
Father Lord,
session 2 ini
this second session,
biarlah membuka mata kami.
let it
Siapa
open
kami?
our eyes.
Kami menjadi little blessed
Who we
leader.
are to be a little blessed
Karakter
leader.
kami dikenal oleh orang sekitar kami.
Our character known by the people surround us,
Berbeda dengan orang yang biasa.
different with normal people.
Karena kami memilih
Because we choose
menjadi petani.
to be a farmer.
Kami memilih
We choose
menjadi gembala yang
to
baik.
be a good shepherd.
Kami memilih
We choose
menjadi servant yang baik.
to be a good servant.
Tuhan pakai kami
God use us
menjadi garam dan terang
to be the salt and the light
melalui karakter kami,
through our character,
melalui behavior kami,
through our
dan
behavior,
melalui cara hidup kami.
and through our the
Kami
way we
memberikan
live.
dampak
We give them impact
kepada orang di sekitar kami.
to the people surround us,
Karena kami tahu
because we know
Engkau sudah mengubah kami.
you have changed us first.
Terima kasih Tuhan
Thank
Yesus.
you, Father. Thank
Di
you,
dalam
Jesus.
nama
In the name of
Tuhan Yesus,
Jesus
saya berdoa dan
Christ, we
bersyukur.
pray and give thanks.
Amin.
Amen.
All right, thank you. Alice?